Hello darlings, and welcome back to my channel. So today I am back with another empties video for you guys. So let's just get started. So let's start off with my favorite products. So this is from Trader Joe's. This is the Brazil nut multi butter, and this stuff is amazing. I previously have done like a separate video review on this, and if you have not purchased this, please go to Trader Joe's and purchase this. Like, this is like one of the most amazing slash best body butters I have tried, especially for like the price of this. Like, it is such a steal. Like, it's so moisturizing, so hydrating, it smells amazing. It's a dupe for the Sol de Janeiro. Like, highly recommend getting this. All right, next we have, this is from Glow Recipe. So this is the avocado samurai made moisture bearer cleanser, and I've actually had this product for quite some time. I put it aside and then I finally finished this. So I absolutely love using this, especially like if you have like redness like on like your face or like your cheek area, like how I do right here. This is really good. Definitely will help reduce like those like redness. It's very creamy, very smooth. But the one thing about this is that, especially like when you like squeeze the product out, like the opening right here is, it's quite big. A lot does come out, so you have to be very cautious not to like over squeeze the product. It just sometimes it just comes like spilling out too. Okay, another product, this is also from Glow Recipe. This is the Watermelon Glow Hyaluronic Clay Pore Tight Facial right here. So absolutely love the packaging. The packaging is so pretty. So this actually took me a while to finish. So I remember I purchased this, was it, I believe it was like end of last year, and I finally finished it. So I try to do like one of like these like masks like once a week sometimes, depending on how my skin is, but especially during like the summertime, because I do produce like a lot of like oil, and I do kind of like, it's really hot here in Los Angeles too, so I do have to use this a little bit more often. But aside from that, I would say, you know, after using, you can definitely see results right away. Like, your skin's gonna feel really nice and clean. You definitely see like your pores get a little bit smaller. All right, next we have, this is from Dior. This is the Capture Total serum, which I absolutely love. So I actually got this as like a sample to try and use. Absolutely, it's one of my favorite serums, but it's so expensive, it's so pricey. I would love to purchase this and use it, but I cannot afford to purchase this. So if I do get another sample, like another serum, I definitely will be using it. All right, next we have these two products. They're from Jack Black. They are their lip balm. So this one is in natural mint and shea butter. This one is in mango and mandarin, and I absolutely love these lip balms. If you guys have not tried this brand, especially their lip balms, they are amazing. I know that this brand Jack Black is a men's skincare line, but hear me out, these are the best lip balms you will ever use on your lips. I guarantee you, especially for like the price of this. Like, if you get like the set during the holiday season, it's literally such a steal. Like, I tell everyone about this. Like, the amount of people that have like transformed to use Jack Black lip balms is quite amazing. Like, I used to use, what are those called, like Burt's Bees, and then I used to use like those EOS, and then I like transferred over to like those like Rosebud, and then I discovered this. Oh my gosh, when you apply it on, like, it just, obviously, you know, depending on like the flavor and the scent, you know, some of them are really good, some of them aren't really that good. But the thing that really sold me on this is that because it has SPF 25, especially like if you're always out and about, like, you gotta protect your lips from like freckles. Like, you guys, obviously you guys can't see me right now, but up close and personal, I have like little freckles on my lips. Yes, it's from like so much sun exposure. So these lip balms, please go get them, please try them. I guarantee you, once you try these, you cannot go back to any other brand of lip balms. This is how good it is. Like, just go and get them. All right, next we have, this is from K18. This is the Hair Science Leave-In Molecular Hair Mask. So for you guys who know, I have been struggling with my hair. I feel like I'm still kind of struggling. It has gotten a lot better now, but I'm still trying to figure out like my situation, my hair going on right now. So I remember when I first started using this, it worked, and then it stopped working, and then worked again, and then I stopped using it. I set it aside, and then I used it again, and I just feel like it wasn't as good as how I first started using it in the beginning. So I don't know what went wrong. I don't know, is it because of the weather, or is my hair just going through something, or is it because I'm just aging and my everything is just slowing down for some reason. So this product was just, as of now, it's just all right. I will not be purchasing this again. This is definitely really like expensive. I would suggest, like, if you have like a Costco or like a Sam's Club membership, definitely recommend picking it up there, because they do sell this there. Surprisingly, I've seen it in the warehouse, and sometimes like these products, like they will go on like clearance, because not everyone like are like into like beauty, like skincare products, you know. So I recommend getting it there. Okay, next we have, this is from Oplex. This is their number 4C bonding clarifying shampoo. So I used to use the original, like the OG shampoo, but then I noticed that I've somehow discovered this, and this one is specifically targeted for like hard water, and where I live right now, the water is literally, it's so hard, it's like ridiculous. And of course, you know, I had to give this a try, and what I noticed is that it's, you know, it did start to like make my hair like less frizzy, better, but I feel like my hair is just, it's still lacking in like some parts of like the area. So I feel like even though I've used all of it, I feel like it's just all right. Okay, so we have one final product. This is from Lush. So this is the Sleepy Shower Gel. This is sweet lavender, and I am a huge fan of lavender. As you guys know, I am a huge fan of the color purple too. It kind of just goes hand in hand. I always used to use like the rose jam one, but the Sleepy one has really just been my absolute favorite lately. And you know, this is in the 16.9 fluid ounce. I wish that they did sell like a bigger size, and you know, it smells very sweet. It smells very sweet, and you know, and for like the color purple, it's obviously I use it all because you can't really see the color, but it's such a pretty color purple. I absolutely love it. And for those of you guys who have not tried Lush shower gels, I highly recommend it. It makes your skin feel so smooth, so hydrating, like especially afterwards, when you use this, like you don't have to like apply on body lotion like or like body butter like right away. Like you can lay like 5-10 minutes, even like half an hour, like your skin will just, it still feels amazing. So for those of you guys who have tried Lush products, feel free to leave your recommendations down below. So that's actually all the empty products that I have for you guys for this time. So for those of you guys who have any empty products, feel free to share them with me. So yeah, well, that is it for today's video, and I shall catch you guys later. Bye.